this week's rendition of Rally with Rolly. I'm Chad. Today I'm going to be discussing the tires I've used on my WR250F. The factory tires, how well they done, and then the tires I replaced my factory tires with. On my WR250F, I converted to a dual sport bike. So stock, the WR250F came with this Dunlop Geomax MX3S. And after about 1,500 miles, I decided it was time for some new tires. This rear one kind of went all Frankenstein, squared off. So I'm using my WR250F as a dual sport bike. And I was hoping I'd get 2 rear tires out of 1 front tire. But I got inspecting my front tire, when I was changing out the rear, I noticed some of the knobs were starting to peel off. So decided it was time for a new front tire also, but yeah, there's plenty left in that one if it wasn't for these knobs that were peeling off. Now these Dunlop, seen it all. Rocky road, ice cream. Highway, been on gravel roads, rocky roads, ice cream. Sand. I looked at lots of dual sport tires and I settled in on the Tusk DSport Adventure tire. I've got about 1,700 miles on these, and I'd say they have at least another 1,500 in them. So these Tusk tires are wearing better than the Dunlop, but considering that the Dunlop is a soft to intermediate motocross tire, it done relatively well for a dual sport tire. I've been impressed with the rear tire. It's wearing good traction. Overall, great dual sport tire. Here's a Yamaha TW200, and the front tire is commonly referred to as the Deathwing. The front Tusk DSport Adventure tire is wearing really well also. What I have noticed with the Tusk DSport front tire is it does really well on the hard packed surfaces, asphalt, hard dirt roads, hard gravel roads, but the looser the soil gets, the looser that front tire gets. Kind of like the Deathwing on the T-dubs. I almost call it the Deathwing 2.0. What I think causes the Deathwing feel is this V shape the tread makes. And you can see on the Tusk DSport Adventure tire, the V shape it ends up making with their tread pattern design. Comment below, let me know what tires you've been using on your dual sport bike. Maybe the mileage you've been getting, your overall satisfaction. Go Adventure, go Rally!